We have a visitor. Look. What kind of bird is that? They're all. Hello, birdie. Oh, this bird came in our house.
And then it's panganay.
Yeah, but I don't know how to. I think it's so tired.
And
I think it's because of the typhoon. Oh, it's so beautiful. It has a beautiful feather. It's Ayan, pumasok na ang bird ulit. Ala, maybe it's hungry. It's okay, it's okay. You can stay here. Yeah, you can stay here. Okay. One. Wait. Maybe let's stop na lang filming tayo makamab. Ayun, natatakot ata yung bird. It's there, oh. It's there on the... I think it's scared. Pumasok siya kanina sa kabila. Kala namin umalis na. You just stay there, okay?